INBOXR is the world's first multi-social chatbot. This tool is created to grow your subscribers, build an email list, respond to support questions, and make sales. It's used for social media management purpose. You can profit it not only for Facebook fan page, but also Twitter profiles. The features of INBOXR. Instantly message all your FB fans. With a click, you can send the message to all current fans, even to the old ones. Increase conversions. Messages have different styles to attract visitors. INBOXR enables you and clients to follow up on past purchases, give recommended products or services, and you can lead them to the sales pages automatically. Build your email list. You can get FB emails from visitors, even when they don't type it. INBOXR will ask fans to send a coupon or discount, and when they agree yes, it takes their emails into your autoresponder. Drip feed content to users. Dripping feeding content will build trust among fans. The important thing is that it'll increase sales for your audience. INBOXR creates sequences for all new fans to create the ultimate funnel. One-click proven templates. INBOXR has its own marketplace within one click for all niches. Forget complicated tasks to create bots yourself. Now you just find the correct bots for your business. Follow up with past leads. INBOXR classify who you've messaged recently or who contacted for numbers of days. Upsell e-com store purchases. INBOXR create different styles of messages, sales links and integrate with thousands of apps through Zapier. Fans will be attracted by your messages and see the convenience when buying from you. Think that you'll get sales quickly. Conclusion. It's a great deal. Should I invest today? Not only are you getting access to INBOXR for the best price ever offered, but also you're investing entirely without risk. INBOXR include a 30-day money-back guarantee policy. When you choose INBOXR, your satisfaction is guaranteed. If you are not completely satisfied with it for any reason within the first 30 days, you're entitled to a full refund, no question asked. You've got nothing to lose. What are you waiting for? Try it today and get the following bonus now.